Codex is OpenAI's cloud-based software engineering agent that can work on many tasks in parallel. It's designed to write features, answer questions about your codebase, fix bugs, and propose pull requests for review. Running OpenAI Codex in a sandbox environment is ideal because Codex dynamically generates and executes code, which can include untrusted or unpredictable logic. I mean, let's face it, we've all had an LLM generate questionable code before, so it makes sense to have CodeGen be isolated from your core systems for safety, security, and resource control. Koyeb sandboxes are an ideal choice for running Codex-generated code because they offer fast, ephemeral, fully isolated execution environments with built-in GPU and CPU resources, secure network and file system isolation, and an API-driven workflow that lets you spin up, run, and tear down environments in seconds. This makes it easy to safely test, iterate, and orchestrate Codex workflows at scale without managing infrastructure or compromising safety. So, let's use Koyeb sandboxes to securely generate code in an isolated environment. First, make a directory for the project and open it in the IDE of your choice. Then, set up your Python virtual environment. Once your environment is set up, install the Koyeb Python SDK. You'll also want to set your Koyeb access token in the environment, as this token is used to create sandboxes with the Koyeb SDK. You can generate an access token in the Koyeb control panel settings. Create a file called main.py and add this code to it. This code imports Sandbox from the Koyeb Python SDK, then creates a new sandbox. Replace the placeholder you see with your OpenAI API key. Creating a sandbox spins up a new service deployed on Koyeb. I've configured it to run on a medium CPU instance, but we can create sandboxes of any instance type based on our needs, including GPUs. I'm using a Docker image of Ubuntu, but you can use any image, just provide the link to the container registry. In our sandbox, we'll execute a command to set up our environment, including installing Node.js and the OpenAI Codex CLI. You can make a custom image that has the dependencies installed to save runtime on your sandboxes. I've added streaming output to all sandbox execution commands to get a real-time look at what's happening. Then we'll add a command to log into the CLI. Finally, we'll write a command that uses the Codex CLI to create a hello world text file using Python. To clean up, we delete the sandbox. So let's go ahead and run this code. In our logs, we can see that the dependencies are being installed, and then we can see the commands that Codex is actually running. We can also follow along in the Koyeb control panel and watch our sandbox spin up and then ultimately get deleted. And that's it. We created a Python app that generates sandboxed environments to run Codex code generation. Curious to get to know Koyeb sandboxes? You can get $25 off for the next 2 months using the code in the description, so go ahead and give it a try.